guys, it's 7:30 a.m. Just woke up and the first night in the jungle was actually really good. There was just an animal fight during the night, so we all woke up, but it was alright. We're going now to the bus. We pick it up at 8 and then we heading first to the ruins. I'm excited.
Discovered a way to read about 60% of the Maya hieroglyphics, the ancient writings. Temple of Red Queen.
So we arrived at the ruins and we stayed there now 3.5 hours because it's fucking big. And it's pretty cool so far. It's pretty old. It's like 600 to 900, nobody knows exactly, before Christus, and it was like the center, the powerful center of Chiapas. And yeah, like the weird thing is like 95% is covered in the jungle, so what you can see is just 5% of all this. And what really crazy is that we are really lucky because like next December they were forbidden like that you can climb up the pyramid. So that's cool. That's pretty cool.
So the Mayans, according to the French guide over there,
Yeah.
said like, look how flat it is now.
Yeah.
Okay? They said that the first thing they had to do was make it all flat, so they had to like carry earth and flatten this whole place out so they could build. So that's the biggest. I don't know. I didn't get to that part yet. Julie, you ruined the video. Come on down.
Lying dead people inside now.
Oh, that's big.
Check it out, man. It's huge.
That's big.
Je pense que je préfère l'avoir du coup avec
What's going up, guys? Julie, you want to say something? No. Okay, that's good. The bridge of Khazad-dûm. Crossing the bridge of Khazad-dûm. You shall not pass! So the first thing is done and watched out the Mayan ruins, and it was actually really cool. And yeah, it was kind of like an appetizer for what's coming ahead. Like when we go to Chichen Itza, and definitely very keen for Tikal in Guatemala. So that was pretty cool actually. But anyway, now we're going to a big waterfall called Misolha. And yeah, it's pretty cool because we're sweating our ass off. It's so humid, so just waiting for the bus, and then let's go hit the fucking waterfall, man. So second spot for today, Misolha waterfall, guys. Fuck, it's huge. So, and the best thing is you can go behind the waterfall there. It's gonna be lit. Guys, that's the waterfall. It's actually pretty sick. But we just had like a half hour here, then we're heading to the next place, and the last place, going to Agua Azul. It's also waterfalls, but you can't swim there, so it's much better. Yeah, they don't recommend to swim there. I don't know.
To say, at least I did in my way. That way.
So we had a little snack in a restaurant now. Checking out the waterfalls, man. Water looks fucking epic, man. Never seen such a blue color water. Keen to jump in, man. So that was Agua Azul, and it was literally one of the best things I've ever seen, and it was crazy. Moose, what do you think about Agua Azul?
Yeah, man, it was sick.
Julie, what do you think? The best? Yeah. Yeah, it was. Anyway, we're going back now in the Colectivo, driving, and no, we have to go first in the city. We have to buy the tickets for the night bus tomorrow, and we're going back to our jungle and having some beers. back in the jungle. Fuck, I forgot to finish the vlog yesterday. We were all so tired. Just went to the restaurant, had some pizza and shit, and went straight to bed. Anyway, it was a sick day yesterday. It was fucking cool. Especially the waterfall. It was insane. Yeah, today is not much going on. We made it yesterday. We booked a night bus, so we're heading tonight to Merida. Finally, we're going to Yucatan, and we're staying there in Merida, which is a really big city. And I got a couch surfing host, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, we're arriving there. It's like 10 hours, so we're arriving there tomorrow morning. It's gonna be cool, man. That's why I would say we'll see us in Merida. Catch it.